Integration between Axonius and Claude help you find risks in AI usage and act on them proactively. In this example here, we're going to be looking at Shadow IT, users that do not have my Claude Enterprise subscription, but they are still running Claude code, and we're going to act on that. Here I have my Axonius, which has over 1,900 users, and because I already have the integration with Anthropic Claude, I can see that over 600 of those users, they have Claude Enterprise in my subscription as a company. Now, because I see that, I can also search for all the users that do not have Claude, which in this case are 1,300 users. And the reason I know that with accuracy is that all the other integrations in Axonius are telling that this user exists, is active, and frequently synced up with our base. Now we're going to narrow down even more. From 1,300 users, which one of the users in this population are in devices that have installed software, and the name of this software is Claude Code. The results show 92 users. The reason we know that is that within every one of these devices from these users, Axonius is also correlating the software information about them, so we know what they're running within their devices. From here, I select them all, and I'm going to take an action. And the action is available within all the adapters I have in Axonius. In an example, it could be to deprovision this user, delete an application through a script that I can run, or it could be to assign the application through my SSO of choice, in this case here in the example, Okta. But to recap, within Axonius, you can easily spot gaps in security coverage for AI through the Claude integration, like this one over here. Take the action that you prefer, and that same pattern applies across all the 1,400 adapters that Axonius support. So if you want to learn more about us for AI security or Axonius for securing any other assets you have throughout your applications, check it out and book a demo with us.